Good morning, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Umoto Lifestyle. Here for new subscribers, my name is Umoto Lifestyle. We recently changed our channel name, as you know, from Teenager Umoto to Umoto Lifestyle. The reason being, it's because, guys, I am from East African Kenya, but now I live here in the US for the very long time. And I thought, why not a vlog about my lifestyle? So I'm like, I found myself vlogging so much about my lifestyle. I'm like, well, I need to go ahead and change my channel name to Umoto Lifestyle because, hey, I'm showing you about the lifestyle here in the US. As you know, guys, I am a village girl. As they say, you can take the girl out of the village, but you cannot take the village out of the girl, okay? So that is all I'm about. So I'm so excited. I live here with my family. I work here. I do everything here in the US. My life is here in the US now. But hey, I cannot forget where I came from. So for today's vlog, I'm gonna show you, if you watch some of my videos, guys, I have been cooking outside a lot. Like, I love cooking outside. I have all the stuffs here, the touch thing, the electric thing, everything is smart. I have it in my house. But hey, I feel like sometimes I don't want to forget my roots, guys. No, I need to cook outside now and then. I need that out village girl smoke. I just want cook outside and then chill out on a weekend, with my family. Just pretend like I'm in a vacation. I'm in the village somewhere in the river. I'm having fun somewhere. So that's why I love to cook outside. So as you know, guys, if you go to my channel here and search the videos that I've done about the village life, cooking outside, I have been cooking with 3 stones. So you put 3 stones and you cook and it works perfectly. But now, my husband was like, it looks like you like cooking outside, huh? I'm like, yeah, I do. So he came up with a point, like he needs to build an outside stove. You understand, guys? Building outside stoves. That is, we're gonna get cement and some stones and something like that, and we are going to build outside stove so that I can be cooking more outside, because sometimes when you cook, the stones keep moving here and there. So I need it to be perfect. I need to be firm when I'm cooking ugali, so that my jiko, my stove doesn't, move here and there. So today, guys, I'm going to take you to the store, and then we're going to get some sand, we're going to get some cement, we're going to get some materials pretty much that we need to construct our outdoor grid. We can call it grid, or we can call it outdoor stove. It's a stove actually, because it's a direct fire. I'm going to put firewood, the smoke here and there. So guys, if you have not watched some of my videos, go ahead and watch and see what I am talking about. So I'm going to take you outside a little bit and show you how we are going to, we're preparing it. We are going to make the grill, and I can't wait to show you the final grill, guys. Oh my goodness, this video is gonna be a very long video, but I promise you I'm gonna be quick. So for those new subscribers, as I told you, my name is Umoto Lifestyle. Go ahead and subscribe and join Umoto Lifestyle family. And guys, if you have not become a member, go ahead and become a member, okay, of this YouTube family, okay? Oh well, guys, this is the stove I'm talking about. It's a project in the making. Of course, it's not going to end in one day. It's a project that we are doing, but so far this is where the stove is for now. You can see the 3 stones that I use all the time, but now we are going to move these stones to make a real stove. We are in the process of making. As you can see, we have materials here. It's just the beginning at the beginning of this the process. Is gonna be taking maybe a week or something, but I promise you guys, I'm going to update you everything that is going on here. So we are working so hard to make sure, you see, we have all the kind of tools that we need. We have all these wires here that we need to make this happen. So guys, make sure you stay in this Umoto Lifestyle channel, so that in the end we can see the entire project, how it's doing, okay? So guys, we are in the making of our outdoor stove, okay? Guys, I wanted to show you something. I have these trees right here. Look at these trees. I don't know why they are burning. They're not healthy. I don't know what's going on with these trees. Guys, let me know in the comment section if you have ever come across these trees. Let me know why they are burning at this season right now. So yeah, let me know. I have a couple of them here, and you can tell they are not doing so well. I don't know, it's because of summer is almost here or what's going on here, but I just wanted to show you. I have a couple of them down here. You can tell on the other side. Let me take you there so you can see them. Yeah, you can see this. Look at it. They're really getting tall. Guys, I lost my... You can tell over there. Let me zoom and you see what's happening. Guys, this is what's happening. Look how it's burning. I don't know if it's a kind of infection or what's going on. And yes, we have mail coming. My gosh. Okay guys, remember we are in the process of making our stove, but I just wanted to show you a little bit about these trees here. Okay, okay guys, the thing is the stove is gonna take let me say quite over some days to make, because it's a new thing. We have to figure it out. We have to go buy these. We are missing this, we are missing this, but I promise you guys, when the stove is making shape, I'm going to keep documenting about this stove until we make our outdoor stove. I want to make sure I'm going to show you everything on the next upcoming videos, so that we can update, make you, maybe if you live here in the US, you just want to make a stove outside, so you can see exactly what's happening and how you can make a stove outside. As much as it is good for us to use technology to cook, we're using everything, it's just right there. I figured out, like, if you come from Africa, if you come from anywhere in the village, it's good sometimes to get out there, you know, in your backyard. If you have a backyard, even if you live in an apartment, you can just find something just to kind of remind yourself where you came from. You know, you can barbecue outside. It's not everything that we can do inside. It's not all the time that we're going to be eating restaurants. Of course, you can eat restaurants as much you want, but at the same time, you want to have that feeling of a village life, you know, because for myself, I'm a village girl. Like, everything, if you watch on my videos sometimes, you know, I used to fetch water from the river. I used to go through the forest and grab some firewood. I used to cook outside. Sometimes it's raining on us when we were cooking. That kind of the village life. Then you didn't see like it was nothing, you know. When I came here to America, I feel like I don't have that experience. And guys, if you don't know what is really about America, America can be lonely. America is the loneliest, I can say, country. If you come here, people, it's about work. We don't have like time for connection with family. We don't have time connection with friends. It's a very limited. So everybody here is busy, and that makes me miss my village life. And that's why I'm like, I'm gonna be vlogging about my village life. I'm gonna make my life, you know, to my mind, to switch my mind, think that I live in the village. Why I'm in America, because I don't want to forget my roots, guys. It's easy to forget your roots in the US because everything is just right there. You know, you're not using energy. You're not, you know, putting water in a head like I used to put. You're not correcting in firewood. You are not doing those little things, the walking distance that we used to walk to go to the posho meal. You understand what I'm talking about? That is what I missed. And guys, going back home, you were still walking and making a trip to go back home. It comes maybe once a year, twice a year, you know. It's not something that you can just go. You understand what I mean? The air tickets are very expensive. You know, it's like I need to bring the village to me. You understand what I mean? That is exactly what I'm vlogging about, and I'll be cooking more out there when we make this grill. Even before we make the whole grill, I'll still be cooking my potatoes out there. I'll be cooking my githeri out there. I'll be cooking everything that I feel like I cook when I'm free, okay? So don't get me wrong, don't get me twisted, guys. I'm a village girl and I'm gonna be showing you around. Of course I'm gonna be showing you around about the US too, because I live here. I've seen a lot all these years that I've been here. So I feel like it's time, guys. It's time for me to share with you what I have went through. It's time for me to give you some light, give you some insight. So this is the channel to be Umoto Lifestyle. Guys, I'm vlogging about my lifestyle here in America. And guys, if you are not a subscriber, or if you want to come to the US, if you have a dream of coming to the US, this is the channel to be, because you are going to see authentic. You are going to see the real America, how America is, okay? So I'm going to be bringing you what it is to live in America, okay? It's Umoto Lifestyle. Guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.